Okay, so today we are going to talk about simple sentences and compound sentences. So here we have a piece of paper, just a regular printer paper, just colored. So what you're going to do is you're going to take one corner and you're going to fold it up to the top like this, not all the way, just about more than halfway, and crease it. Ooh, I didn't make it straight. That's okay. Then you're going to take your scissors and cut off this excess piece. Okay, then you're going to undo it and you'll have a crease. And then you're going to fold it in half, opposite of the crease. So you should have two creases to make it X, just like this. And then you're going to fold each corner into the middle. So each corner into the middle. And then you'll have a foldable that looks like this. We're going to use this all week, so make sure you put it somewhere safe.